The Pride of the Susquehanna is unique because it's one of just a handful, by last count, 6 authentic paddle-wheel riverboats left in the entire nation, still in operation today. There's not a history of riverboats here at Harrisburg, but in 1985, a local businessman had an idea. Why not take the Millersburg ferry up north and bring it down to Harrisburg for Capona? It just ended up being impractical in every way. The traction started to roll on this project of actually building and operating a boat right here at Harrisburg. The riverboat itself is one of a kind. We couldn't build it again, as you see behind me, if we wanted to. It was really the kind of thing that a lot of people had to come together with one-of-a-kind art pieces and craftsmanship and so forth. Local welders right here on City Island built the craft, and it first sailed in 1988. The public cruises are going to leave every single day during the summer, starting at noon, and each time we go out is a new adventure. On a beautiful day like this, where we have lots of water behind me, we're going to be heading upstream. About 5 or 6 feet of water is great for us to be able to see all the natural islands of the Susquehanna River. We are giving people who ride the riverboat a flavor of the area. It's arts, it's entertainment, and as well as food, beer, wine, and everything in between. Our family events are very unique, much like the riverboat itself. We've got Pirates on the Pride, where kids brandish their favorite super soakers and have to fend off marauding pirates who are trying to board the Pride of the Susquehanna from a local vessel here. So City Island is known as Harrisburg's playground, and for a very good reason. When you're walking around City Island, there's so much to do. So if you're just going to be in town for a little while, I do recommend you take a look at our calendar and see maybe one of our sightseeing tours or one of our dinner cruises in the evening would really be perfect for you, because when you're aboard the Pride of the Susquehanna, you're going to learn about the history and the sights of the area, and through this one voyage, you're going to be able to see all the amazing sights that we have here in Harrisburg.